Welcome to Bharat Mandapam Bulletin, your trusted source for the latest updates, announcements, and highlights from India's premier global venue. Stay informed about the prestigious events, international summits, exhibitions, and cultural showcases happening right here at Bharat Mandapam. Now, without any further delay, let's quickly have a look at the events lined up for Convention Center this week. First up, there is Samriddhi Conclave 2025 from 1st to 3rd August in Auditorium 2 of the Convention Center. Next up, on 2nd of August, we have an evening for health and happiness, talks by eminent personality meditation in Auditorium 1. Then there is Sindoor Ka Maan on 3rd August in Auditorium 1. Moving on, we have Jai Ghosh Bagawat Se Siyasat Tak on 5th August in Auditorium 1 of the Convention Center. Then from 5th to 7th August, there is Indian Restaurant Congress Award in Multipurpose Hall. There is National Business Achievers Summit and Awards on 6th August in Auditorium 1. Then on 7th of August, there is NEET Expo 2025 in Auditorium 1 of the Convention Center. At the same time, there is National Handloom Day 2025 in Meeting Rooms, Auditorium 2 and Leaders Lounge. At last, on 8th of August, we have Pratibha Viksit Sikkim to Viksit Bharat in Auditorium 1 of the Convention Center. Now let's have a look at the events lined up for exhibition halls. First up, there is Samriddhi Conclave 2025 from 1st to 3rd August in Hall number 14 ground floor. Then from 7th to 9th August, we have India International Handwoven Expo in Hall number 14 ground floor. And that's the wrap up. Follow Bharat Mandapam Bulletin and stay ahead with the timely updates, in-depth coverage and engaging stories from India's global venue.